Ah, the train. The train, boss, the train. Do you get that reference? I don't know. We're gonna work on the greenhouse. Stick around, but hit that subscribe button down there. Come on, you can do it. It's free. And today is Independence Day. It's Freedom Day. Do it. Well, it may be 70 outside and only partly sunny, but it's a sauna in here, you know, because it's a greenhouse. I'm not sure how that correlates. I'm gonna blind you a little. We're gonna put a filler in here of some kind and a filler in there of some kind. Take this part right here loose, and we're gonna put a beam across there to push that up back where it belongs. Yeah, seems like a good plan. I have 12-foot 2x6s, and this is a 14-foot greenhouse. So I'm going to use a piece and a piece, and I've got plans for the cutoffs already, because I don't like to waste lumber, because it's expensive. So I think what we're going to do, see if we can find you guys a better spot. I don't know. See all my onions? I pulled onions yesterday because the rain wasn't being very good to them. Not very good to them at all. The challenges of recording in a small area. Put you up on the rack there. See what you can see. Can you see me now? That looks pretty good. All right, so I know that I'm on this side of that board, so I need the, should be 2.5 inches from that board. Where's my pencil? Sweaty, sweaty. I really need to order a shade cloth for this here greenhouse, because if there's one thing for sure, it's that it gets blazing hot up in here. I don't have my angle finder with me, so I just took and I marked that top. Do. I am so far behind on hay production that it's not even funny. But we have not had enough consecutive sunny, dry days to cut and produce hay. And I've seen a lot of folks putting up some really wet hay. And that is not something I'm interested in doing. I'm pretty particular about our hay production. I'm gonna make this a foot long, because that'll be plenty-rific. right, gonna make a little noise. Well, that's close, but needs about that much off the top. And I want it to fit good because I like stuff to look nice and be built proper. That's going to do it, the business. That's going to do it. Let's put you guys on this side so we can see this excitement. I'm going to have to try to I think first things first, I'm going to put a screw in there so that it can't, so that this post can't migrate while I'm pushing up on it. Wrong driver. That way my post doesn't go where I don't want it to go. Well, I knew that was going to happen. Consequences of future me not worrying about that, I guess. Holy smokes. Bet it comes out now. Probably won't. It'll probably just strip out. We won. We won. That's going to be hot. Don't grab it. $77.5 inches. That's what I need. You got what I need. Oh my goodness. Now, prepare to be amazed, because what we're going to do is make us a lever. Okay. That's going to do two things. One, it's going to hold that up there. And two, I put that on the wrong way. There we go. And 2, holy frijoles, Batman. Y'all sweating? I'm sweating. I am sweating. Okay, I got another problem. That is wanting to push out. So maybe I put this screw in when I get it where I want it. Be handy to grow a third hand right now. The lever isn't working like I hoped. I think I need to put it on that side. You know, cloudy as all get out when I came over here. Oh, it's a knot. Of course it's a knot. And then it's like, oh, let's cook Eric. I think that's going to give us what we want. Just ignore me and my heat stroke. I'm not sure I'm going to get it up as high as I think I need it to go. Huh. All right. Because you know, that's just how it's going to be someday. Apparently I'm putting a little pressure on it because I bent the screw. I'm cooking up in here. All right. Don't know that we're going for level so much. Everything touches. Well, that was fun. course, I'm off on that end. But I don't know that that matters too much. Woo-wee. I went to the wrong side of that. You guys had a heat stroke, completely stopped recording, so I had to move you outside. Okay, so what I've decided while y'all were cooling off is that I don't need that board because it wasn't doing anything on that end. It was only pressing up here, so I can just lag that together. So we're going to leave it just like that and see what it does. We will see what that does. Little view of the onions I pulled. So, I don't know, little short video. It's too hot to stay in there. I'm going to pick stuff up and go do some hot and end stuff around the house. Have I mentioned that we had 4 inches of rain the last couple days? Everything is a swamp. The frog pond is froggy again. I plan to dig this out and make it a pond. Some bluegill, little sunfish type stuff in it for the girls to go fishing. All the rain is making the mushrooms, making the mushrooms grow too, but the pumpkins are growing. Anyway, short video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.